All the lonely hearts in London took a plane and flew away. All the best women are married, all the handsome men are gay. You feel deprived. Yeah, are you questioning your size? Is there humor in your humor? Are there bags under your eyes? Do you leave dance where you sit? Are you getting on a bit? You will survive. When there's no love in town, the new century is bringing you down. All the places you have been, trying to find a love supreme, a love supreme. Oh, what are you really looking for? Another partner in your life to abuse and to adore? Is it lovey-dovey stuff? Do you need a bit of rub?